Alright, Adam, here's your walkthrough, dude. New stoop. New door. Bar top. Over here. Closet area still there. Here you're looking at your new bench. That's what I'm talking about. We're going to side it in fir. New lights. Oh, I don't know if I got the lights in the dealio. Walk into the bathrooms. Here's all that TNG. Turned out sweet. Bathroom. Can't really see much. We got the lights down so that Dave can paint it again, but looks freaking awesome. Anyway, there's your knotted alder doors. Sorry, hope you're not getting sick. Coming down the stairs, there's Rossi. We got all the handrails tightened up. They're super solid now. Here's basement. Wainscot. Get everything trimmed out. Dave's still got a little staining to do. Shower. It's looking sweet. Anyway, hope it gives you a better picture of what we're doing. Talk to you.